This video for grade 6 students, dear students. This video for electronic subdevices. The electronic subdevices which are using to make the electronic circuits. Today, day-to-day life, we are using a lot of electronic devices such as mobile phones, computers, laptops, televisions, radios. So these electronic devices are made by using the electronic circuits. So in the electronic circuits, you can see the electronic subdevices. So here I showed you 4 electronic subdevices. Diode, the first one is diode. Second one LED, light emitting diode. Third one resistors. Fourth one light dependent resistor, LDR. Now we are going to see the activity of single diode. In this diode, you can see there is a line on the one edge. This is the negative side of the diode and this is the positive side of the diode. I am going to connect the current supply, the positive current supply to the positive side of the diode. Then negative side is connected to the bulb. So the bulb is connected to the negative side of the diode. Now you can see the bulb is lighted up. When you are changing the direction of supply, there is no observation on this bulb. So from these experiments, we can say the diodes are carrying current only one direction. Here I am using 2 bulbs and 2 diodes. If the diodes are connected, the negative sides to the bulb and the positive side to the supply. Likewise, the negative sides are connected again to the supply. The 2 bulbs are glowing up. So these experiment, I am changing the direction of diodes. If you are changing the terminals of the supply, here also there is no observation. In these 2 observations, we can conclude the diodes are using for one directional current flow. The second one is LED, light emitting diode. In this LED there are 2 terminals, the positive terminal and the negative terminal. The positive terminal is a larger terminal, the negative terminal is shorter one. So this is also carrying electricity only one direction, because if it is connected to the positive to negative, the positive terminal connected to the positive side, the negative terminal connected to the negative side, then only it will light up. So in the LEDs we have different colors. One is the resistor. The resistors are used to decreasing the current flow, the amount of current flow. There are different types of resistors. This is fixed value resistor. This is the volume controller. And also we have rheostat. So now you can see the brightness of LED without resistors. The brightness is very high. When you are connecting to the resistor, the brightness will decrease because the current flowing decreases by using the resistors. In the fixed value resistors, it has a fixed value of resistance. But in the volume controller or the rheostat, we can change the amount of resistance to increasing the current flow or the decreasing the current flow in a circuit. So here you can see this is the volume controller. If it is turned like this, the amount of current will be decreasing because the resistance will be high. Then the brightness of bulb will be decreased. So it can be increasing the brightness or the current flow by decreasing the resistance of this volume controller. So this is called variable resistance. So the next one is the LDR, light dependent resistor. So the LDR is used to change the resistance at the light and dark. If there is a light, the resistance of a LDR will be decreasing. That means the current flow, the amount of current flow will be increased. At the dark, the resistance will be increased, it will be high. Then the amount of current flow through the circuit will be low. So this can be checked by using these simple circuit. You can see here there is a LDR and the LED, right? At the dark, I am closing the LDR by using the finger. Now you can see the brightness will be decreasing. If I take the finger from the LDR, the brightness will increasing. And also if there is a light fall on the LDR, you can see the brightness of LED will be increased because the resistance of a LDR will be decreased. At the same time, the current flow through the LED will be increased. So the amount of current flow or the amount of resistance can be changed by the light by using the LDR.